Dragon Dance, a Chinese New Year Lift the Flat book by Joan Holub, illustrated by Benrei Huang. Chinese New Year is a holiday that lasts 15 days. It begins on the first day of the Lunar New Year in January or February. Kids and their families celebrate with fireworks and parades. A big feast is usually eaten on New Year's Eve. We shop for fresh fish and plum blossoms here. We buy things to celebrate Chinese New Year. Oops, sorry. We sweep, mop, and dust the old year away. We decorate our home for the holiday. Dai Ji Dai Li. Good luck and good fortune. Sun Lin Fai Lock. Happy New Year. Red dresses, red shirts, red envelopes too. Red brings good luck to me and you. Thank you. We all share a feast. There's duck, crab, and pork. Dad eats with chopsticks. I use my fork. We eat the noodles last. We hurry to watch the parade on the street. Jugglers toss balls. Lions dance to the beat. Wow, look at the juggler throw. Something is coming. We all try to see. It's long, red, and golden. What could it be? It's a dragon. We wish you a year full of peace, luck, and joy. Happy Chinese New Year. 恭喜發財. The end. Thank you for listening to me read Dragon Dance, a Chinese New Year Lift the Flat book